In this video, you will see what Facebook Ad Library is. Facebook Ad Library is a place where you can search for ads that are running on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger and WhatsApp. You can find out what your competition is doing. You can find their images, videos, ad copies and their offer. You can also improve upon them to make your ads better. Facebook Ads Library is quite simple to use. Let's go. Go to Google, put Facebook or Meta Ads Library. It's going to be the first, second or third link. Click here. You will come to a page that looks like this. Put the country where you want to see the ads. In the ad category, select all ads. Over here, you're going to put the word or a phrase of the product or service that you want to see the ads for. Or you can also put in an advertiser's name. It can be Nike, Lululemon, etc. I'll start with this. So now Meta will show all the ads where the word skincare is there. The word skincare can be the name of the page. So it can be the name. It can be on the primary text or headline or video images or in the landing page. Somewhere it will say skincare. You can see the ads from your competition. You can see what type of primary text, images, video currently are working right now. This tool is an invaluable tool, very useful. Usually we spend between 4 to 6 hours researching ad when we are doing campaigns. This is one of the most important phases of the campaign. Now, if you want to go into a certain page, let's say for example your competition's page, and you want to see how many ads they are doing or what type of ads they are doing, this is also possible. So go into a page. So this can be your competitor's page. Once you are in the page, click About, then go to Page Transparency, then click See All, and then go to Ads Library. For example, this page is running 38 ads. All the ads are here. Use this tool properly. You will get a lot of ideas, and this tool is free. This is one of the most important phases of doing Facebook ad campaigns. Write in the comment, was this video useful? Subscribe to see more content on Meta and Instagram ads.